Valentine's gift. Allow me to sing a song. But before we do that, we get back to understand who the author of this song is. A gentleman called Joseph Scriven once wrote this song. He was 25 years at that time, a Canadian. He had his girlfriend, but just before they did their wedding, the girlfriend fell into a lake. A few years later, he fell in love with another lady, but that lady died just before the wedding eve. Because of frustration, he was unwell, but he still penned down a poem. That poem is what we are going to sing today.